Jai Hind everybody, welcome to biology class 10th. So students, in the last lecture we have studied about the few definitions related to the control and coordination in animal. Okay, now in this lecture we will study the concept map, or you can say we will take an idea ki what all things we are going to study in control and coordination in animals. Okay, so as you all know, control and coordination, it is a characteristic of living organism. So both plants and animals, in both organism you can see the process of control and coordination. So here we are focused only for animals. When we will start with plants, then we will have a discussion on control and coordination in plants. So if you will take a view for control and coordination in animals, it is divided into two. It is controlled by, or you can say it is controlled by two types of system: nervous system and endocrine system. This endocrine system is a hormonal system controlled by hormones, okay, that we are taking up separately. And now coming to the nervous system, this is a very broad system, and in this, under this system we are going to cover many topics. So in this nervous system we are going to study about reflex action. Under reflex action we will also study reflex arc. Then this nervous system is divided into two types of system, that is your central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Okay, this uh, central nervous system is again further divided into brain and spinal cord, and this peripheral system is again further subdivided, that you can see in this. uh, yes, here you can see, you have a clear view about the divisions, about the classification, how it is divided. So first you should know, because it is very important कि what we are going to study और कैसे division हुआ है, उस division में क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, ये सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए, so that the things not get mixed. Okay, so nervous system में हम दो तरह के systems पढ़ेंगे, central and peripheral nervous system. सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम में ब्रेन एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम जो है, इट इज़ अगेन फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम एंड सोमैटिक नर्वस सिस्टम. ऑटोनॉमिक नर्वस सिस्टम जो है, दैट इज अगेन फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू सिंपैथेटिक एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक सिस्टम, and somatic nervous system is divided into spinal and cranial nerves. So if you see, there are 31 pairs of spinal nerves and 12 pairs of cranial nerves. So that also you need to remember. So this is about the differentiation, how this nervous system is divided, division of nervous system, that we are taking up all the systems one by one. Okay, now when you will study reflex action, so you will be studying about the receptors organ. So these are the receptors organ, that is your phonoreceptors, photoreceptors, thermoreceptors, olfactory receptors, gustatory receptors. So all these receptors, these five are the sense organs which perform, as the name is as they are named according to the function. Okay, like gustatory is responsible for taste, olfactory is for smell, thermo is for touch, and photo is for visual effects, and pheno is for hearing or balancing the body. Okay, so this also we are going to take up. Now in this brain, central nervous system is divided into brain and spinal cord, as you all know, I have already told you. So this brain is again further divided into three होते हैं brain के, forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain has this is the largest part of the brain, forebrain, जिसमें cerebrum आता है, and this is the main thinking part of the brain. यहीं पे memory, reasoning, everything is there. Okay, now मिड ब्रेन में आपका मिड ब्रेन जो आता है, इट कंट्रोल द रिफ्लेक्स मूवमेंट्स ऑफ नेक, हेड, ट्रंक. ओके, इन रिस्पॉन्स टू विजुअल एंड ऑडिटरी स्टिमुलाई से रिलेटेड जो भी मूवमेंट्स होते हैं वो कंट्रोल करता है आपका मिड ब्रेन. ओके, इट इज इनवॉलेंट्री. देन hind brain is further divided into again three parts: pons, cerebrum, pons, cerebellum and medulla. Pons जो है it regulates respiration, cerebellum it regulates posture and balance of the body, and medulla it controls involuntary actions such as breathing, controlling center of reflexes such as swallowing, coughing, vomiting. Okay, so these are the three divisions of hind brain. And you need to remember cerebrum and cerebellum is very important because often students they get confused between the two. तो ये आपको याद रखना है, cerebrum जो है फोर ब्रेन का पार्ट है और ये मेन थिंकिंग पार्ट है, एंड cerebellum जो है वो हाइंड ब्रेन का पार्ट है जो कि पोस्चर और बैलेंस कंट्रोल करता है बॉडी का. So this is the summary of the chapter or summary of the subtopic, that is control and coordination in animal. So these all things we are going to study one by one. So the first that we are going to study, we will be starting with the nervous system, and the first subtopic we will take is the reflex action and reflex arc. Okay, so thank you students.